Hey guys, it's Vince over at CG Vinyl Studio, and today I want to introduce a really unique graphic for our hobby. There's been a lot of graphics released, and I've done quite a few on different chromes and whatnot, but this is truly one of the most unique you'll ever see. You can see that these star pattern, it looks like it's got basically a pink hue to it. What makes this vinyl so unique is that, of course, it's laminated in the 3M8518 glossy over laminate used by NASCAR for maximum protection and longevity. But it's photochromic. And if you guys don't know what that means, it means that it's UV reactive and it will instantly change colors when exposed to the sun. So this is the most unique standard vinyl. It is not able to be printed on directly, but we are working with different variations. This will turn back to its original color once it's been removed from UV light. And again, you get a totally different effect. These look awesome in paint splatters, stars, anything you're trying to do to really gain a lot of attention. Nothing will gain attention like this. So again, worked on it for some time, wanted to get the proper chemical formulation so that we make sure that the bond of the 3M8518 actually overlays it perfectly. We have very good sealing principles, and again, if you were to cover this, you'll see it'll start turning much lighter even with my thumb. You can see it's starting to change, and as soon as it gets in the UV, it'll start fading right back. So again, guys, we do offer these in different sizes right now. This is the typical, I believe it's 2-inch pattern of the stars, but we can do this in any shape you like. We do have different colors. Just message me and let me know what you like. Thank you.